back to another episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I am your host, Kaylin, the Social Media and Community Development Coordinator here at R.I.A. Federal Credit Union. And last week we talked about purchasing school supplies because school is just right around the corner. And towards the end of the video, we mentioned opening a youth savings account. So instead of some tips today, we're gonna teach you some tricks on opening up a youth and teen savings account. So that is what today's topic is gonna be, youth and teens savings account. First up, we're going to be talking about the CARS program, which is Kids Are Rewarded for Savings. This program teaches kids how to save and rewards them for when they reach their goals. Each kid that signs up gets a punch card, so you get a CARS savings punch card. One deposit counts as one punch. Once enough punches have been saved, you can redeem them for rewards. So some of the rewards that are included with this punch card include a pencil, a highlighter, a coin pouch or a football, a water bottle or a lunch bag. And once you've saved up enough punches, the highest punch you can receive is enough for a movie pass. So what do you have to do to sign up for a CARS savings account? Your children have to be anywhere from 0 to 12 years of age. You'll get an official membership card. There's a small gift to help your savings grow. Each year we send you a birthday card and a small gift. There are awesome and fun contests and events held throughout the year. There's fun and educational information. It's only $5 to open and you can also earn dividends. Rates may change after the account is open and fees may reduce earnings on this account. So now that we talked about our youth account, what's for the teens? So ages 13 through 18 can participate in the My Cash, so they can start spending or saving. The My Cash account is a free checking and savings account for teens aged 13 through 18. It only requires $5 in your savings account to become a member. This account also features online and mobile banking. You will also receive a debit and ATM card. If you're looking for an auto loan or a credit card, we also do that as well, but this is also subject to credit approval. So the My Cash also comes with a fun little card. Some of these incentives include $5 for your first direct deposit, $5 for e-statement signups, and then $5 for a debit card signup. You can also receive $10 for signing up for our master credit card, and also for the first $500 you save with us, which this is pretty awesome. Start saving money while you're young so you can have money when you're older. But don't forget to stop into any one of our branches located in Wisconsin, Illinois, or Iowa, and we'd love to help you out with setting up a youth or a teen savings account. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Let us know in the comment section down below, what was your favorite memory of going to the credit union when you were younger? Mine was definitely getting the goodies for saving up in my youth savings account. So anyways, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next Tuesday for a new Tips and Tricks Tuesday.